Movement has always inspired me. I've always been creative, and I had a dream to build a career I'd actually love. Something that would let me live a fulfilling life. Before I started my Bachelor of Design in Fashion and Textiles at UTS, I didn't even know how to sew. The first year was a huge learning curve, but learning those core design foundations was so rewarding, and looking back, I can see how those early skills shaped everything I'm doing now. From day one, the lecturers and tutors were like mentors. They didn't just teach us technical skills like pattern making and construction, they taught us how to look at design differently, to reimagine. My friends and the people I met here made a huge difference too. We supported each other through late nights in the studio and encouraged each other to keep going. They helped me grow as a designer. UTS really listens. When my class showed a strong interest in knitting, they responded by getting us more knitting machines. We also have access to tools like WGSN and Clothes 3D. As a part of our learning, industry partners came in to show us how they use this technology, and it just clicked. UTS is preparing us for what's next. I've started interning at an Australian fashion label, and walking into that studio, I felt ready. I'm still figuring out if I want to start my own label or work in-house, but whatever I choose, I know I can do it.